Hello. Hello. Today we're gonna do Minecraft. And my cousin name is Frost. By the way, my name is Izzy. Today we're gonna make a unicorn that explodes.
Yup. This unicorn is gonna explode
With joy.
Da, 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 da. Yeah, like how Unikitty is.
And even in my favorite show, whenever they explode with joy.
Yeah. So let's explode this. 3, 2, 1. Boom.
What?
Wait.
That's not working.
No.
Oops.
Oh, now it's exploding. Oh. So that's the mess that it made. Hey, it kind of actually caused a waterfall there. On camera, it looks way lighter, which I like, but on the screen, it looks way darker.
Yeah, anyways, this is on computer. Yeah, this is on a computer. Yeah, we just
Apple.
did this.
Apple! So, bye!